How to find someone's comments on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to find someone's comments on TikTok. The first step is to open the TikTok application. On the homepage, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Inbox option. This will open the Inbox section where you can manage all your activity. Once here, tap on the Activity tab. On the Activity page, tap the Activity option at the top to expand it. From the drop-down menu that appears, tap on Comments. You will now see a list of all the comments that people have left on your posts. This makes it easy to track engagement and respond to comments directly from one page. If you are looking for a specific person's comment, you can scroll through this section until you find their username and message. This is the most reliable way to check for comments without needing to open each post individually. The process is simple, quick, and works directly from the app. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to find someone's comments on TikTok.